Bald cap method tutorial. Let's go. The first step is to brush all your natural hair to the back, all the way to the back. Now wear your first wig cap. I say first because you need one to protect your hair and the other one to protect your edges. Now with any edge control of your choice, I'm using this one from the Frontal Queen. Slick your hair to the back, and if you're like me and you have stubborn sideburns, slick those to the back as well. To get the best results, you need a HD wig cap. Now place the HD wig cap on top of the wig cap that you already have on your head. With a pair of scissors, cut a little hole for your ears. Don't make it too wide, just enough for your ears to be able to peek through. And I know this gets annoying, so just cut this part a little bit just so you can see and it's not obstructing your eye. Now don't cut past the wig cap band, because if you do, it's going to start ripping the lace. Spray across your hairline. And it's also easier when you use this wig cap because it's very see-through, so you can see exactly where your hairline stops. Just spray it all across your hairline and use your fingers to just move it back. After this step, it should look like this. Now the next thing you need to do is get your blow dryer and blow dry it on hot. When you're blow drying, you want to focus on the ear tabs because it's easy for it to lift up. And while you're doing that, in between, use your edge brush to press it down just so that it can stick. Now when it's all dry, use your scissors to cut it down in the middle and start cutting from right here. Okay, exactly where the spray ends for now, and it should look like this. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to do the other side following the same steps. I'm going to have two loose ends. Go ahead and tie it in the back, then cut off the excess. Sometimes you might have sprayed it a little too close to your forehead. If that ever happens to you, you just need alcohol, just a little bit of alcohol. Don't put too much, and then just use your fingers like this to kind of like shift the wig cap backwards, and then with your scissors just cut off the excess. Now use your foundation to blend it in and ensure that it is your skin tone, just like this, so it can give that bald effect. Okay, I'm going to do this all around the front of the wig cap because the back does not matter at all. And just like that, you have the perfect bald cap. Let me know if this tutorial helped you in the comments below. But yeah, let me go ahead and install this buzz down.